Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison. So you know you're not dressed appropriately for court, right?
I didn't know that until I got here.
And I know you're probably going to get upset with me about the help that I'm going to give you, but I'm trying to save your life because the last time you use may be the last time you use. You already admitted that you're on heroin. That's not a good thing.
All right, folks. Today's courtroom moment is intense. Judge Boyd is dealing with a case where the defendant actually came to court under the influence. Yes, you heard that correctly, she showed up high, but things take an unexpected turn. Instead of reacting the way most judges might, Judge Boyd takes a different approach, one that might surprise you as you watch. Think about this. Should someone face the toughest sentence for showing up like that? Or does this situation call for a different kind of response? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's see how Judge Boyd handles this unusual case, where the defendant could be facing up to 20 years.
Hello.
Hi, so you know you're not dressed appropriately for court, right?
I didn't know that until I got here.
All right, so next time you appear in court, you're not allowed to wear the T-straps. If you want to wear that, I know it's hot outside. You'll need to put on a jacket or something, you understand? All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 1728, State of Texas versus Angel Marie Bustos. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Your Honor.
Defense?
Ninfa Gallegos Carrillo.
All right, and are you Miss Bustos?
Yes.
Counsel, you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Bustos, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
Did you review the document entitled A True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
You are, Your
Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I didn't.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes.
State, any evidence? All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would like to ask the court to some assistance with the fine. The state has already lowered the fine, so she can.
I'll probate the fine.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. And also, she needs some help with drugs, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any children?
I did. I got 2 of them that are already old enough, 18 and 19, and then my 2 youngest passed away. So no.
I'm sorry about that.
Thank you.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
2019. I'm actually applied for disability.
All right. And what is your disability for?
I have mental illness
And what?
arthritis, 3 types of arthritis, and mental illness.
All right. You know, drugs is not helping that, right?
Yeah, I know. I've been try getting off. The withdrawals hurt really bad. I'm tired of it. I really am. I do it only just because of the pain, but I'm trying to get off of it. I do need help.
All right. So who is Melissa Marie Barrera to you?
That's my cousin's baby mama.
Okay. I have to do the mental gymnastics. And who is Mark Anthony Bustos?
My cousin.
All right. And who is the person you're with in court today?
That's my boyfriend.
All right. Where is he?
Right there.
All right. All right. Thank you. All right. And do you have any family support?
Just him.
Where's your family?
My mom died, my dad died, pretty much everyone passed away. I have my brothers, but one's in prison, the other one I don't talk to. So he's my family.
So that's why we're asking the court for some assistance, Your Honor. She needs some support from this court in order to help her with that addiction.
All All right, this is what the court, and if you're drug tested today, it's going to be
It's
positive.
gonna be positive, ma'am.
All right, I appreciate your honesty.
All right, even though it's clear this woman isn't in a good state right now, it's hard not to feel a bit of compassion for her. She seems like a genuinely kind person deep down, and that's saying something, especially coming from mine, usually pretty direct when people mess up in court. Whether it's the judge or the defendant, but there's something about her that gives you the sense she wants to change. You can tell she's probably had a tough life. And let's be honest, we've all faced difficult times. Maybe not the same struggles, but life can be hard in different ways, and that makes it easier to relate. From a legal standpoint, her current condition could also raise a serious question. Is she mentally fit to even stand trial? That's known as competence to stand trial. If the court decides she's not in the right state of mind, the entire case could be delayed or even dismissed. What do you think? Does she have a real shot at turning her life around? Or is she just too far off track right now? Let's jump back in and see how it all unfolds.
Now, I'm going to give you help today, and I know you're probably going to get upset with me about the help that I'm going to give you, but I'm trying to save your life because the last time you use may be the last time you use.
Okay.
So I'm going to do a $1,000 fine. It's going to be probated. I'm going to give you 6 years deferred adjudication, proof of employment, or SSI within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. We're going to do the UA hotline, going to do a TAP evaluation, felony drug court referral, and Esperanza court referral. That's going to take place in custody. I'm going to ask for 120 sober meetings in 120 days. There should be no contact with Melissa Marie Barrera, Mark Anthony Bustos. Gonna want field visits 1 time per month until further notice, and 200 hours of community service restitution. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
Is it just me? Or does this judge genuinely seem to care about the person in front of her? A lot of judges would have handed down a harsh sentence right away just for showing up. In court under the influence, no questions asked. But Judge Boyd seems to take a different approach. She looks beyond the mistake and seems to recognize that this woman might need support more than punishment. And honestly, really respect that. It's not often you see a judge show compassion like this. Drug addiction is a serious issue in our country, and locking people up doesn't always fix the problem. If more judges looked at the whole situation the way Judge Boyd does, maybe we'd see more people getting the help they need instead of just being sent to prison.
I was referral first.
Yes.
Assuming outcome, I can't have 2 referrals.
No. We'll do felony drug court first.
Okay, thanks.
And if she's not accepted there, which if you're honest with them, they'll accept you.
Okay.
And then if she's not accepted there, we'll do Esperanza court.
Thank you.
All right.
Nothing further.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, I did.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We're off the record. To be successful in this court, you need to make sure that you're in contact with probation. If you feel it as though probation is not addressing an issue with you, you can always come in this court. We'll be here.
Okay.
All right. The other thing is, felony drug court is a good program. It's something that you need. You're probably going to need inpatient treatment. But if you are accepted to felony drug court will be monitoring your situation. And they have a judge there, and that judge is Judge Glenn. He'll be monitoring how you're doing. Mm-hmm. The only time I will see you is if you're graduating, and I'll show up to your graduation, or if they send you back here because they say there's nothing else that they can do.
Okay,
All right?
okay,
And if you want me to show up at your graduation, I will definitely show up to your graduation. Okay?
thank you.
So what's going to happen today is the deputies are going to take you into custody. If there's anything that you want to see, want to give to your boyfriend, just let them know.
How long is it gonna be?
Yeah,
Because one, you already admitted that you're on heroin. That's not a good thing because the last time you use could be the last time you use.
okay,
And because here's the thing, if you could have, you would have at least came in the court sober. So what will end up happening is felony drug court, it's Tuesday. They'll probably be able to get to see her because I'm going to sign the order immediately for them to interview you. So they'll probably be able to see you before this week is out. And you need to let them know that you're interested in being their program. And then they will take over supervision. If they think you need inpatient treatment, they'll give you inpatient treatment. If they think you need outpatient treatment, they'll give you outpatient treatment. Okay?
These days, I'm usually not too satisfied with court decisions because it often feels like people who commit crimes, especially drug-related ones, get off too easy. But honestly, this case is a bit different, and I'm actually somewhat impressed. This woman was given 6 years of adjudication, which means instead of going straight to jail, she's being given a real chance to turn her life around. As a mother of two, I truly hope she takes that opportunity seriously. The bigger issue in the US is how we handle addiction. We focus too much on punishment and not enough on actual recovery. I believe we should invest more in rehabilitation, not just in locking people up. This decision feels like a positive step in the right direction. It might not only help her, but also inspire others to change. What do you think? Does she really have a chance to get her life back on track, or will she just take advantage of the system? Let me know in the comments.